Hi everyone, today we're gonna be making stewed apples. Hi everyone, today we're gonna be making stewed apples. So you're gonna need a spoon, a bowl for your scraps, a bowl for your apples, and then some cloves, 3 apples, and then a peel, a clove for the apple, a knife, and then stevia, some cinnamon, and then a glass of water, a teaspoon, and then you're good. So let's get started. So first you get your peeler and you get one of your apples and you peel the apple. So yeah. So if you didn't go on the stove before, you should have a grown-up with you when you're at the stove. I did it before, but I'm still gonna have a grown-up with me. So yeah. Yeah. This is pretty hard. You should need a grown-up for this, but okay. My mom helped me with that, but I know how to cut them. So first, just get your knife and cut the side of it. There. Oh God. There. And then you get this apple and just cut in the middle there. Kind of do the same thing.
Get those fingers up.
Yeah. I do it when we get closer. Let's put the apples in. And then the little circle thing. Let's put all over. And then get your clothes and just do a handful. Get your water and your teaspoon and then pull just one of these in. I think I'm gonna do two. And then it's time to turn the stove on. And then, yeah, see you in another 10 minutes. Okay, so now it's all like stewed up. So, yeah. Maybe 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 4 minutes. Whatever works. See ya in maybe 2 minutes. Okay, so I'm outside and I have my bowl. So I'm gonna taste it. It makes them. You don't swallow the cloves that we put.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Bye.